kera akai chotega akainde diyala tuna moni tuna tashiza ndimu Zambia nyuma titare no hayeni brotiti amina dingane kunu hinaga yumba ngani ko yumba ko ga yide ku mwezi kumba wali Zambia tianu ngadina chiruki Zambia after the jamu kwa contract kwa contract ngi ayedi kwa contract ngi ayedi ni kwa kumutanda kumwinirunga ni kwa kumwinirunga kwa amani mkuru kwa bila shimuli atama nena shiki na shiki kwa chitia nukunu chuma jeni kwa dachi chuma jeni chuma nyi kwa yamani nuna kuiza hoshi yamuna kukenga yuwe mchilileni zatiki mwilingana haka hini hasta 13 August wakaringa hii haka mfonderanga hii bicha kufonderanga hii ukamfondera ni nyani Zambia kasungwe ndokana kaina nyani Zambia kunu kikere mutashwa nawa yatimani wasasuna mali yajibi UPND shalala wajibi kuni mashikora mbao kuni makineri simbao ikusuwa changu enya kusuwa wachunga ngitari fukuni mudima naku Fadoskira mtima chukua nukuru problem yenini mkwa bana watu mshika dei Zambia chinu tatianu ngadino iu mudi nani lidiyu kuna kuishika chuma yenini mkwa amnene kama mkwa kwa taushia taupange dei ma contractors Zambia mkwa contractor katika mwona Mwitongo shoki atamba tunatosikisha nyanya ishamaneni ishamwekana kwa kufuru kwa heshima kunu kwanu kuniyuma inasharu kuchingani chuma chenena gashi ya mkwa kwa neto indu na wadi yuma na wadi hadra chuma cheneni banki amina kuichugira filling station ya amina kuichugira majiti Zambia tushani muchima hakuvota chachiwai wajiri mwiwuru zambala kaso mwiwuru imwinduko tusimuchima haka ye Zambia
eyo musakire nuku mukurumpya muchima musakire nuku Zambia eno kanda ni itambikiri mukurumpya haka inde ichiremenzi na kuhochana nenu ngite jenu ni tambika wa adima candidate kufuma mapati amboka yara 1 minute.
Viva youth, viva Zambia. Jina dami ya Mkanyanda Friday nemalanga ha Socialist Party iranga muifuku dalelu namwani mu Socialist Party vision kosi adina vision ya Zambia muifuku dalelu UPND lelu neli withdraw kufuma mu Socialist Party lelu nezila kujoina a UPND nalomba youth akwetu mapatejima chimwaka mwana jina da UPND ya ballot bai mwambaka ditiri laku votelenu member of parliament Paul Masua presidential candidate president wetu Hakainde Hichilema Yimwaka mwani jina dakanyanda mavota mejima mwakenki masua. Zamba chikiswiri zamba kiswiri keleng. Zambia forward!
Owi ya tuna mutambu ili munu mwikele. Nekade kumuza wenu. Yara. Tuna soji kusakedera. Ngite jen chengi na wani tambiki mama wading candidate ni yena. Under 1 minute. We are running short of time. Majina ho nino jumweli.
Zambia! Zambia! Ishina damia militi andandarika. Neme nenga tiketi ya UPND. Neme nenga UPND tiketi. Ilanga atonderi mkwechu po mazua. So nenzi kununa kumwira support po mazua. Nami tumufotane. Tufotane nunawa. Iyo president wetu againda ichirema. Wasweza kutukenga. Bayi chukisa mavoti munuku. Chinga wao muchikasa. Makandidate akashima UPND chinga chuivoteri. Ena kwetu aka mama. Ena kwetu aka youthi. Hakwira chiandru chianga hambiti. Chinga chufoteri makandidate hamuchikasa. Viva youth, viva! Viva women, viva! Chinga tumuchikasa aka mama.
Majina.
One Zambia! Majina mi ya Meska Muza. Ami nadinga candidate wa mu NRPUP. Iranga kufuma leru na join UPND.
Zambia! Zambia! Muna kani yimikiri akandeze hochina nenu. Muna kani kuterere kuti akainde ichirema. Muna asweji ipumba chi. Muna asweji kutadika. Zambia! Zambia! Makasa tuteli makasa ano akayana kumuvotera akainde. Nyirukina mamweni chitwa mutwereri hakainde kuikere. Eni kere nyamu kengeri. Zambia! Ngite jenu chainu mpinji. Ni mutamiki yena mkuru mpi. Chirobu present hakainde echirema Ismailia honor and privilege to invite you, sir, to come and talk to the people of Ikere. Mr. President, sir.
In Coming Records, the Northwestern original sound.
Hey yo, chinu chaka chindu, nichikenza chindu, chipau chenge chinde. Yami mukwezi wa kudala chinga, usianga nitikwilu. Yami teni chika chaku. Haka inde, shanga mungwa. Bika muke, tiangoma, haka inde, tiangoma. Tiangoma, haka inde wawina de. Oswana tamwe naga inde koreto, tiangoma. Inde wawina de, tiangoma. Oswana tamwe naga inde kumaninda, tiangoma. Inde wawina de, tiangoma. Tiangoma, haka inde wawina de, tiangoma. Makata. Oswana tamwe naga inde kumaninda. Mandela natunye mashikola mala CDF natunye mashikola kumwiki magasa bila mapize na kuya kuchinyama tiangoma akainde tiangoma
kunyima magasa kunyima nagashi magasa Zambia twaswecha kumukenga akaindia chunechu chuyenchenchu mwingi magasa. Thank you very much. Thank you. Chinasagiri.
Thank you. Nasagiri. Ikelenyi oye. Okay, guys. Come this side. The people need to see the president this side. Come this side. Yes. Ikelenyi oye. When I killing muringai. Makola mani. One Zambia, one nation, one people. So one Zambia, one nation, one people. One Zambia, one nation, one people. Now when I say Zambia, you must answer Kumbili. But you must also raise your hands. I want ZNBC, the media, to see that there are lots of people in Keleng. I don't want them to take a picture of one little corner there. So when I say Zambia, you must answer Kumbili with your hands up. Magogo Zambia! Asagiri Gomani.
Thank you very much.
Mani. Thank you. Very happy to be here today. This is my home. As you know, I love Ikeleng so much. Don't be cheated by anyone who tells you something else. I love Ikeleng. So, thank you to all our leaders that are here. Thank you to all of them and all our structures, national management, province, district, constituents, wards, branches and polling stations. More so, I want to recognize the people, the beautiful people of Ikeleng, and to Ejima. We recognize you for being here. You look beautiful, eh? I'm checking very nice, beautiful girls there. Thank you. You look beautiful. Thank you very much. By the way, my two sons have asked me to look for wives from Ikeleng here. So I'm checking nicely here. I'm checking. Oh, you are ready? Okay. Yes, Ambanda. Let's see the hands of Ambanda. Thank you very much. I'm here for us to make a very important decision today. Decision that affects our lives and that of our children and grandchildren. Where I have gone across the 10 provinces, they've all agreed to vote for the UPND on the 13th of August next week money.
Weshima kuna itangani mwituna da Zambia ma provinces eshima ikumi anchoa na details weshima wao kuila chuma chimuho uvotera UPND efuku da 13 August.
Yesterday I was in Solwezi, I was in Mushindamo, I was in Manyinga, I was in Manyama. They've all agreed to vote for the UPND next week on the 13th of August.
Akazinga mpata aloshi adinga kumanyinga adinga kumushindamo adinga kusolwezi kweshimiku atwana details now akavotera UPND efukuda kusakula.
Today it is you the people of Ikeling to make a decision. Are you voting for the UPND on the 13th of August?
Lelo na uchindikudeno akekele kusakula kuvotera UPND efuko duda kuvota.
Thank you very much. Why are we voting for the UPND? Development. I'm coming there. Zambia. In the 4 years, 11 months we have been in office, we have delivered a lot of things for the people.
Number
one, under the PF, our children were not in school because of school fees. Under the UPND free education, our children are in school free of charge. That is why we are voting for the UPND.
Mupinja pia kwa mwankole na mwadinga na kufuetela nyana mahali kwa shikola ilangi tushikola ya wana.
Do you want to go back to school fees or you want to continue with free education? You want to continue with free education? Then vote for the UPND on the 13th of August. So, when I say 13th August UPND, you must answer Wenyu Sotsana. 13th August UPND, Wenyu Sotsana. So, when I say something, you must say, aha.
Now they went and Ostuma in Makola and Nangovu, then aha.
Last month, I Againde Isilema Bali signed a document to make free education into law.
Now kakwezi kama na kazinga mpata yena wa saina ishimbi ya kuila shikola ya wana ikaluku chakukula kumbendi kwa ucheli yake zaka yikudisha ilekani ishimbi yetunga.
It means if you are a girl child, you got pregnant in grade 8 or 9, you delivered your child, you are free to come back to school and you go back free of charge.
Now ule kankaombanda utambula niku mwena uchini mshikola mgrade 8 chuku ya mkana kupapa udi waka sulugane unasa pulgidei kufuta na kutale kwa shikola ya wana.
Going forward, it means your children, your grandchildren, their children, and their children, and their children will continue going to school free of charge forever and ever. Amen.
Kufunga kuifuda lelo ya kumbedi anyanenu ninyanenu yeshikulu enu akatwale kangaho na kutanga shikola ya wana na kusikalodi kubuda kenza imwanta Yesu.
That is why you are voting for the UPND next week on the 13th of August.
Ichumo chichima kapotela enu UPND efuku nila kuiza 13 August mulungu tunakwata.
13th August UPND Wenyu Sotsana. Why else are we voting for the UPND?
Chuma nchi kwao tituna kupotela UPND.
Yes, I'm coming there. I'm coming there. I'm coming there. Under PF, when we were under PF, there were pangas there. There were cutters beating people in the markets. There was blood in the bus stops. Since UPND came, we have the freedom, no fights. You want fights or you want freedom? Freedom. You want freedom? Yeah. That's why you must vote for the UPND on the 13th of August.
Anakosha kazinga mpata na mchiyulu cha PF mwadinga mapanga mwadinga kukwekesha mashi kuma marketi kuma bus station mwadinga kweta ntuku jaha ichi yena president akainde waleta lekunda pete timu ichona da Zambia enu muna kukenkunda tani ndi muna kukenkufunta kumapanga na kukwekesha mashi.
Now your vote will allow us to continue with social cash transfer, which we have increased from 180 to 300 to 400 to 800. Now your body has made a decision to increase it to 1,000.
Nikukuletesha mwafola na mali awana atena ngona social cash transfer mutwaleku na kutambula ayifumishiri awanu eite kwacha yizania 300 yizania 400 yizania 800 ichidiruka zinga mpata na yisine 1,000 kwacha.
So now my candidates here, parliamentary candidate, chairperson of the council, my structures here, I want names of all those who qualify for social cash transfer, but they are not getting the money now. I don't want segregation. Write all of those, bring the names to me, and I'll put them on social cash transfer as well. Those who qualify. Let's go.
Now, anakuhana shimbi kuni ejima anemani our MOP, Council Chairman, Akulu President Mamu Party. Now, Asoneki ishi Mukanda, Wamazina. I want to urge him, Abraham Fola.
Those who qualify.
Ana Shikiru Fola. I said Mazina Ejima, and Mazina Akabuda Kazina Pata, from Ejima, Aishu, Atambulena Mari, Awana.
13th August UPND, when you Sultan. Cash for work will continue.
Anamari Ibn Muzati Langa Muzata, I call it 600 kwacha, you went out of Kahoru.
Also, we will continue employing more teachers, more than the 45,000 we've employed. We will continue employing nurses and other medical staff, more than the 20,000 we've employed. So now I say something, you must say, From today, I, Hakainde Hichilema Bali, your president, will use the presidential powers to assist all the nurses who are working as volunteers and teachers. Bye. All the nurses working as volunteers and teachers working as volunteers. I, Hakainde Hichilema, is giving them jobs.
Ufuma kuifuga lelu amikazinga mpata webali kwa sekendanaji mkujimani kaya presidenti ila bwana shimbilami eno ankoni masa tanga mbula kwetu anasi ni maticha eshima weno inza nitumu
all the volunteers
eshima anadiana kusatira chakubula kwetu
and those who are attending this rally.
Eshima adimulelu.
So, I want all the names of these nurses and teachers, and I'll process the job.
Inakupenda mazina, awezi maadikudu malezi, ni mapita, unamari hizi ni bimu.
universities and teachers, you must vote properly on the 13th. 13th August UPND, will you sort sana. Thank you very much. So now, if you are a teacher or a nurse or an agriculturist or an engineer, you are not yet employed, don't complain. Vote for the UPND. You are the next one to be employed. Your vote will allow us to continue paying CDF from 1.6 million to 40 million per constituency.
Ukota kwenu kokaleta sa eltu tutwaleku na kuyinga CDF itakumisilia 1.6 milioni na kuileta 40 milioni.
Ni urule. It is in my head. It is in my heart to ensure that the Mwinilunga Ijimbe Road is started very quickly. It's in my head, it's in my heart. The contractor is coming and will be doing this road. It will be a nice tar road. It's going to the border there. Trust me, we'll do that road. And count me there. Make a note from today that that's what HH said. It will happen there.
Chuma chidia mchima wami, chuma na wachidi umutu wa nchina lotani kudejima. Na kuileja awala nami. Tuna na kusata mkwakwa iwakufuma kumwenyilunga na kushika kuijimbi nuku ishika lelu chakwa kuitimba nami ina kuusata ina kakusaka lelu musoleki ochina ishiki.
It's not just a road, it's also a modern border post there at Ijimbe.
Nawu na kutuma wa mkwakwa wani nuku ishika kunawa ni border ya Iwahi ulongatengele wa Mwangola kwa na Kongo.
We have now finished the negotiations and will commence the construction of the Lobito Corridor aerial line from Angola, Luao, through here into Mwinilunga, into Kalumbira, Lumana, Solwezi, Chingula Mwani. For the first time, you Kalundas will now be riding on a train, a nice train from here up to Lusaka. Chwela chichi. Chwela ngachichi. Aha. Thank you, continue.
Tunachikidei achipimo chakumanisha chitiangenu chejima chakuleta ina mwatenga na Lobito Corridor ikuleta injanji yakafuma Mwangola kuloau ikuita kulu kuikelenyi ikuingira Mwinilunga ikuingira Kalumbira ikuya Ndola kushika kwa Lusaka nawa alunda amama zamina watata jami chakekala chuma chakotachikiraho nukukandama amasua na kuya Lusaka.
Zambia, 13th August UPND, will you sort sana? Your vote will allow us to complete the Ikeleng District Hospital.
Kuvota kwenu, voti yenu, yakaletesha etu, tukamanishi atachipate chikadei, chaku ya nchila ya Mungu yanga.
Full completion to a full district hospital.
Umanisha chikupuna yuma yeshima yatele lamu mulongaka chitele nao district hospital.
Your vote will allow us to complete the Boma offices and the houses for the workers who are working in the Kelek district.
Uvota kwenu wakalete sa etu wakatuni ofisi ya Boma mnamaya DC ni matala awankong ejima mulongaka tanga.
Your vote will allow us, you beloved people of Ikeleng, my Lundas, my beloved Lundas, those who I love so much, your vote will allow us to improve the water supply system and the township roads in the Boma area so that we've turned around the township.
Voti yenu yakaleta sha eltu tule timenshi akuni paipi mulonga mulwengu matapu atena na mtapu Fakaleti nawa uzata nikwakwa ya yuwahi ya mnumkashi kaboma.
Also, we are working on ensuring that Kalen Mission Hospital has a title deed. I'm working on that. It will have a title deed.
Aminawa ina kuzata na ngofu mulonga tuwanishi kumanisha kwa ina nsangwe kala Kaleni Fakaleti ina title deed.
Ni ulule. There will be a fully fledged skills training college here in Ikelenyi.
Amunyu Ikelenyi ina kuileta shikola ya skula ya nana na kumanisha grade 12 nana ana kule kumanisha grade 12 atizenga yitimu yako makasa ya kuhandira.
My job is also to complete the Luinga Dam, which is not complete because we need that dam.
Wade mchengu kwa undi nao wakumona nao ina damu yame shikwa kulinga ina amani mulonga muli Ikelenyi itumkwete damu.
We are working on investors together with ourselves in government to bring a processing plant for honey here so that our honey farmers can actually get a good market and we can process honey and jobs for the people of Mwinilunga. I mean Ikelenyi and Mwinilunga.
Aminawa ina kusata na mfurumendi ami na chitiange na wama akwetima yeta mulonga muli Ikelenyi tuletimu itala amuna mungu kutwala na uchi mulonga awi impenga Ikelenyi wawahi mulonga enu mwikana nitimu mwikanisha wa nina
This road from Ikelenyi here to a mine in Congo called Kamoa. We want to open a road here and a border post from Ikelenyi here to Kamoa mine, a third road here, and we'll get more business from here into supplying into the Kamoa mine and jobs also. Yeah.
Choma sikwa tutakuzatira hu imu kwa iwakwindika usalumu na kuya kunyamwana na kushikanuka mowa tunakuwisha taa mulonga mwendenga na kushakumaini na kutwala lima yene kulandisha mwakatwesenga nawo nikuya ndimu mwamwana mna mumaini.
Very good. Now let me warn you about something.
Odi ni songa misia chuma timu.
Those boys in the Tonse Alliance, they are the same as PF. Munakumba? They are the same as PF. They were ministers in PF. They are the ones who, yes, Makombi, we know them, we know them. They are the ones who borrowed too much money. They borrowed and failed to pay. But Bari came and solved the loans. Who is good, the one who borrowed or the one who solved? Do you know the one who solved? Who? Yeah. They are the ones who had cutters who were beating people in the markets. They are the ones who had terrible things they were doing. Don't vote for them. Those are the same. It's like somebody dies from here in Ikelenyi, you bury them, 5 years later, can they wake up and come into the community? Leave those, we buried them in 2021, let them stay in the graves until Jesus comes back.
Choma china kengu isonga mishadi iti ana kwenzi ayedi adi mutonse wena diwana makombi lima alenu etunga ejima wena alima ministazi wena diwa kongwe elina kuishi yenu mumakabi muikabakani diwane teleka mapanga adina kuipwekesha unachi mashi chidinei mtu wa free day yaka itanu itaiti day asanguki lelu muku muiteja ikanenu
Zambia. So you understand, don't waste your vote. Now you know Hakainde loves you. Do you know that Bari Hakainde loves you? If I had the way I would marry all these beautiful girls and take them from Ikelenyi here. Do you love Hakainde? Do you love Hakainde? Let's see the hands of those that love Hakainde. Tell them in Lunda.
Now in Mamukenga Hakainde. Mamukenga.
Yeah. Now two people who love each other do one thing. From today, you must say, from today, I, Hakainde Hichilema, Bari is appointing all of you as my campaign managers.
Hakainde Bali Na hiki ni timu weshima wenu. Mwikali makampeni manager ami na kungilia kampeni.
Are you going to campaign for Bale and my candidates? Campaign in the house, campaign in the market, campaign in the fields, on the bus, everything you do, you must campaign. If you are a lady, you are cooking, as you are cooking Shima, you must be cooking. Kumbidi, 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 kumbidi.
Ofuma mwifuku ya lelu, wezi makumu kwikala, elayi mchisambu, elayi mchota, ela kuishi muna kwenda, mwilenga ho kampeni ya lipendi. Akamama, muni, muna mchisambu, muna kwenda shima makamba, anakwila luiku, bali.
On the voting day, wake up early to go and vote. No, dear. Wake up early and go and vote. Don't go alone to vote, go with 5 or more people. Those who live far from the polling stations, on the 12th of August, move closer to the polling stations. We'll feed you that day. Following day, you wake up early, you go and vote for the UPND. This year, we are voting for suit. We are voting for a suit this year. Councillor, UPND. Council Chairman, UPND. MP, UPND. President HHA. Wenyu Sotsan.
Now tunavota suti aminakani kuninga chatengi. Councillor wa UPND. Council Chairman wa UPND. MP wa UPND baichingani wani. President wa UPND.
Zambia, listen to me. Listen to me. Do not, some independent candidates are saying, I have sent them here. That is not true. That is not true. I cannot support an independent candidate and leave my own candidates in the house. I cannot do that.
Now kujantuma kwau ana kime ni halwau ya kweti president tuku ilanga na kuchamba nau akayinde di una itumi amkufika kuifukuda lelo na ikani amina tell kwimika wami ni support saying independent one na kani.
Anyone who is saying that Madimbeka, let's vote suit. Councillor UPND, Council Chairperson UPND, MP UPND, President UPND. 13th August UPND, Wenyu Sotsan.
Weshima independent tuna kuchamba hindi amini kunyima hindi na kuchamba Madimbeka efukuda 13 August makavoti suti. Councillor UPND, Council Chairman UPND, MP UPND, President Bali UPND.
Thank you. We love you so much. We love you so much. So where is the choir? I want